Aweh Millionaire, it's another high impact news analysis, and it's the 11th of December. Today's high impact news was USD high impact news, and today's trade of the day is USDCAD. And sold USDCAD on the high impact news. As you can see, that's where I entered the trade. Also had my stop loss, which was moved to break even. Take profit all the way there, which, as you can see, once the trade was triggered, went straight to the take profit, nice and smooth in a couple of hours, no interruptions, because we follow the smart money. And that's what happens when you follow the smart money. You stand a high probability of your trades being more profitable. And I'm just going to give you a quick analysis of how I made the decision to sell on USDCAD on the USD high impact news, and again, how you too can profit off these easy high impact news trades if you just simply trade with the smart money, trade with supply and demand, and trade with Forex volume. And if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader and learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But USD high impact news, USD to CAD, nice and easy trade. Let's crack into it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
So I'm sure you know by now, when it comes to trading high impact news, you always got to start off by identifying the supply and the demand levels. And in today's trade of the day, we're going to focus on the supply level, which is what gave us the signal and the confirmation to sell. So boom, already identifying supply and demand levels using the infamous Forex volume. And we always want to be as precise as possible because you want to see exactly where the smart money is at. Because when we can see where the smart money is at, then we know as smart traders what decisions we need to be making. So if you can see right over there, boom, FX volume, right over there, we've got our supply level, like literally staring us right in the face. And I mean, it's as simple as that. Like, all you got to do is identify where the smart money is. And I did this using 4 easy steps, which I actually have done a free video training on. So if you want to know exactly how to identify the supply and demand levels like a smart trader, click the link in the description and get your hands on that free video training. But there we go. We've got our supply level nice and identified like a smart trader. And then again, all we got to do is we got to see what the hell is going on. And as you can see, what happened was just before the news, price went up to go and test the supply level, which is right over there. So price went and tested the supply level. So number one, we know where the smart money is. Number two, we also know what the dumb money is thinking. And again, if you know what the dumb money is thinking, you simply just do the opposite. So price went and tested the supply level just before the news. Okay, tested and kissed the supply level, and that was the indicator to sell. So already we know we got to sell. And for this trade, the stop loss, okay, so as I've said before, your stop loss is the most recent fractal high. But as you can see, the most recent fractal high is actually on the supply level. So you don't want to put your stop loss on the supply level. So you look at the next level above from there. So in this trade, the stop loss level was right above over here. So let me change the color so you can see exactly what is popping. So that was the stop loss right over there. And for the case of the entry, we then just use the most recent fractal low, which was this one over here. So if I change the color over there, there was an entry. So most recent fractal low was an entry. Most recent fractal high we didn't use as a stop loss because it was right at the supply level. So you use the level right above, which was over there, which gave it a nice area to put the stop loss. And then as you can see, we had our target over there, and Skibby Pap news came out, and the trade rode nice and smoothly down to the take profit. No interruptions, no problems, just following the smart money, because we know where the smart money is at. And that was USDCAD. Very simple, no two ways about it. Easy money, easy pips, collect the pips like a smart trader. And yeah, another day, another dollar. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to take a screenshot, tag me on Instagram, share it and tag me on Instagram. Let me know what you learned. But it's high impact news, easy money, smart traders do what they do. I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out.
Batman, Batman, Batman.